Hey guys, techmadeezy with a real short and sweet video just showing you the new flip cover with the S Pen for the Samsung Fold 3 5G. All right, let's take a look at this and see what it looks like. I'll go ahead and open it up and put it on the phone for you. So let me zoom out a little bit and help you out. So let's crack this open and see what's inside. We get our case and we get our S Pen. So let's pull that out. All right. The S Pen does have a button. As far as functionality, I don't know yet. I have not tried it. All right. It does feel light. As far as the case is concerned, you do get some booklets, and you also get a S Pen replacer along with 3 tips. So they do give you 3 extra tips. And this tool is actually used to pull out, if your tip breaks, you pull it out and then you can actually put your new one in. So they do give you 3 just in case, because they find some people are probably a little rough with that. Let's put that back where it goes. All right, now one thing to know about the case itself is the S Pen holder is removable. Just push from the bottom. And this does come off if you do want to have, maybe you want to use your phone and you want to lay flat, a lot because maybe you type. And I'll put this on so you can see that. This does go on real easy. Just take the phone from the bottom and I open it up a little bit, okay? Push it right in. It locks inside with no issues, okay? Close the phone. It's now on. Let's put the holder on real quick. So it does kind of slide in. Slide that in, locks into place. The S Pen actually goes with the Samsung logo facing out. You just put that in there, and that is a good close look at the holder and the pen. You do see here that you have good openings for your fingerprint reader and the volume rocker. All right. The bottom of the phone, real good coverage for your microphone, USB Type-C, and your speaker grill. Let's look at the top. You've got your 2 microphones. Good. You could see them nice. Your 3rd microphone there and your speaker grill. Now, as you know, the top just opens up. So when you're going to use this, you'll hold it back and you'll start typing and tapping away on what you need to do. Okay, when you close this, it automatically turns the screen off to save your battery. All right, this case sells for $79.99. It does not state what the material is made of, just so you'll know. Okay, and let's look at the camera coverage, and then I'll do a wireless charge test. Okay, so it's minimal coverage. I'll be honest with you, the cameras are right there. I don't know if this phone dropped this way. I'm thinking your cameras will probably be impacted. It is a very thin case. Okay, it's nice. If you're not clumsy, you'll be okay. Now, if you take the S Pen holder off, and you lay it down, let's see what we're talking about when we look at, I call it just a flat test. And this thing, just slight move on the table, a slight move, but you can sit and you can type, which is really, really nice, guys. Let's do a wireless charge test. By the way, we are doing a review of multiple cases. So if you want to see more cases, we'll place a link in the upper right-hand corner. All right. I'll push this up a little bit so you can see the light should turn on, and we are charging now. All right, we are fast charging. So I will put a link in the upper right hand corner if you want to check out our cases for the Z Fold 3. I'll also put it at the end of the video, and I'll put a link in the description. Let's go over the S Pen a little bit and maybe show you some examples of what it can do. First of all, this is the Fold edition. Okay, it does actually have a button on it, by the way. If you press that button, it will bring up the menu for Air Command. All right, Air Command will give you options allowing you to create your notes, do something called Smart Select, which will actually allow you to select something on a screen, like a website or something that you want to grab. Air Doodle, Translate, which is really cool. Pen Up, which is an app that'll allow you to draw. So let's click out for a second. Let me go in and bring up Samsung Notes. So in Samsung Notes, I can click on a note. And as you could see here in Samsung Notes, it has options down here: pen, marker, eraser, select. I can even write and it'll convert it to text. So if I click on that and I go over to the screen and I write, let's say tech, and let's see, did I mess that up? No, I did okay. If you stop, it automatically inserts a space, which is cool. All right. If you write cap, it'll automatically put cap, which is cool. If you want to draw, you can go ahead and simply click this button here, and this will allow you to draw in the same note. You can include pictures, to my knowledge. You can include voice messages, to my knowledge. So you can do a lot with Samsung Notes, and it syncs to your Samsung account. Now, the other app that I like is called Pen Up. Now, again, this is a drawing app. It syncs to your Samsung account as well. But if you go in here and just say draw, you can actually select a photo and draw on the photo if you like. But as you can see here, it gives you a ton of different pens and colors. So if I go in and choose this, I can actually choose how thick I want it. But one thing I'll show you is if I choose blue and I write, let's see, just if I write really light, you're going to see that it wrote really light. But if I push down a little bit more on the pen, you'll actually see that it wrote actually a little, bolder, I should say. And this tip, by the way, just so you'll know, is really made for this screen. It does automatically go in, so you can't really damage the screen. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that, I'll be honest with you, because some people are way too aggressive. This screen is way too delicate. So, as you can see there, you can use Samsung Notes. You can use their app called Pen Up, Air Command, just by pressing this little button here on the screen. That'll pop up, allowing you to do other things as well. And there are other apps that take advantage of this S Pen. So the question is, what do you think of the flip cover with the S Pen? Is it something that you'll get? Is it something that'll work for you? Well, I guess we'll find out. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.